Good morning, all. It's Peter Cruz speaking to you from Dubai, UAE. Market brief for March 13, Monday. Well, it is happening on Friday. Silicon Valley Bank in the US, in California, collapsed, resulting in the US dollar dived, currency versus the dollar and the gold surged. This morning in the early Asian session, we see a gap-up situation in gold, hitting a high at 1,889, just short of the 1,900 mark. Now, in a joint statement, the U.S. Treasury and Federal Reserve announced a range of measures to stabilize the banking system and said depositors at the Silicon Valley Bank would have access to their deposits on Monday. The Biden administration on Sunday guaranteed that customers of the failed Silicon Valley Bank will have access to all their money starting Monday. Now, I think this is just the beginning. We will probably see more U.S. financial institutions collapsing in the near future. Recently, with Goldman Sachs' large round of layoff, also tells us that the U.S. financial institutions are facing very hard times. Are we going to see another Lehman Brothers situation again? The latest news from Goldman Sachs is they feel that the March the 22nd FOMC, the Fed will not raise rates because of the situation with the Silicon Valley Bank. Okay, that's about all I have for you this Monday morning. Let me share my daily forecast with you right now. Now, as you can see, well, starting last Thursday, I've already said that the currencies and the gold probably have bottomed out, and we probably see a rebound on both currencies and gold. Well, furthermore, on Friday, we have the failed Silicon Valley Bank. That's why this morning in the early Asian session, we saw gap up in the currencies as well as the gold. Okay, so for euro, it would be a good buying level at the 1.07 or better. Okay, but make sure you have your stops. Well, you should be targeting 1.1 on the euro. British pound also hitting the 121, 1.21 would be a good buy level. Okay, but whatever you do, make sure you have your stop levels. Okay, now as for the Japanese yen, well, it's getting pretty strong. So selling the dollar yen at the 134 or better would be a good sell dollar yen level. Well, crude oil is just trading up and down in the high 70s. So somewhere around the $76 a barrel would be a good buying level for the crude oil. Okay. Australian dollars, like the other currencies also, it's also surging on the upside. So at 0.6620 is a good buy, looking for a target around the 67.80 level. Gold, well, because of this situation with the bank and the financial situation in the US and with recessions that is here, it's a good buy on gold at 1,880. Okay, but make sure you have your stops. Okay, I'm looking at the target way above the 1,900 level. Okay, on that note, I thank you very much for your attention. I wish you all a very pleasant, happy, and prosperous trading day. But make sure you have stops whatever you do. On the other hand, as I always says, this is only my opinion and doesn't constitute any form of guarantee or promises of profits. Okay, so take care, stay safe. I thank you once again for your attention. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye for now.